about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking.
Guys, welcome back. It's been a while. Let's have a chat.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Alright, so basically I haven't really done much filming for at least a month. And the reason behind this is I've just taken a little bit of a break. I'm still very committed to this channel and growing it, and all you guys I've already subscribed. I think it was at 271 last time I counted. Amazing, thank you to every single one of you for subscribing.
Thank you very much.
What have I been doing for this last month? Well, I've been eating a lot here. I keep coming to Bali, so pretty much all of my overnights now for work are here in Bali.
Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
Which is absolutely amazing. I do love it here. I've just been enjoying chilling on the beaches.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche, we're on the run, this is what...
Going for walks, relaxing. I even brought my wife here last week.
My hand will make it somehow.
Good time for her to get away and have a bit of a break as well and see what I do. But yeah, look, we're going to keep making videos. This is a quick little update to say I'm still alive, I'm still here, and there will be more content coming soon. In about 9 weeks, Emma and I are going to head to Japan. So it's going to be awesome. We're going to do a lot of cool things there that are planned. And we're also going to do Chiang Mai for the Lantern Festival this year. And that's again in the same trip as Japan, so pretty excited about that. So make sure to join us for that. I've been able to downgrade my vlogging setup now from having 2 cameras to just having the 1 camera. So I've sold off the other camera, which helps finance the next drone as well. Anyway, that's my quick little 1-minute update or 2-minute update. I'm going to make a video next week because I'm not sure what it will be, but it will be something cool. Alright? Awesome. Thanks so much for joining me. Once again, thanks so much to all the subscribers who are subscribed, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit it. The support really helps my ego, and yeah, catch you next time. Let's finish this off with a little bit of 360 footage of me on a bike going down towards the beach.
Maybe mango, yeah.